Good morning, guys. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. For those that don't know, most people do, the 320 Sundancer, one of the most versatile boats on the market, from day boating, weekend trips with the family. It's just a very versatile boat, nice cabin down below, spacious bow seating, just a really great all-around boat that appeals to a lot of people. This specific boat has the Sea Ray Blue Navy hull side color, upgraded engine package, triple 250 Mercury V8 power, and then one notable feature that a lot of people love is the half glass windshield, so gives it that nice open feeling when you're running the boat. But very quickly you can enclose it, so there is an optional isinglass filler platform to fill in both port, starboard, and forward windshield areas. So let's hop on board, do a quick walkthrough. So starting here on the transom, as I mentioned, engine power. This boat's powered with the upgraded package, the triple 250 Mercs V8 power, naturally aspirated. This is the upgrade from the twin 350 setup. Here on the transom you do have a starboard side dive ladder that's built in. And then one thing I do love about this boat is the ample storage here along the transom. So you flip this up, it's a great spot to store your power cords, dock lines, fenders, anything you're going to use quite often, very easy to get to. As we walk into the boat, you have a nice gate here for safety. In the back of the boat, you can control your stereo and the volume. Many people are aware of the Sure Shade these days, so this extends back. Covers all of your seating here in the cockpit. You can see you have seating here for 6, 8, 10 people very comfortably. Great spot to socialize with family and friends. Here in the cockpit you'll have a removable table. So this insert right here is built in to hold a nice teak table which has designated storage down below deck. For entertaining features, you do have a nice sink here on the starboard side. Optional electric grill. So this boat does have a generator on board, so if you're away from the dock, you can power your air conditioning, your grill down below. This is a dual voltage refrigerator. And then a nice trash can. More seating off here to the starboard side. Reversible backrest, so you can expand your seating if you're hanging out with family and friends here in the cockpit. Great captain's area, flip down bolsters, very comfortable helm seating. Great electronics package, so twin Simrad touchscreen hybrid displays, so these will do everything from chart plotting, radar, sonar, everything you need. All of your switching is very accessible, so your lights, pumps, everything like that are right here at your fingertips. This boat has the upgraded Lenco trim tabs. These are automatic tabs. As weight shifts from port to starboard, this is going to level the boat out for you. Mercury digital throttles with your active trim and all your other great features built in. Mercury joystick with the auto heading, skyhook, virtual anchor, everything you need is right there. Again, I touched on earlier the open windshield, so nice open feel when you're running this boat. But very quickly, this boat has the isinglass package, so you can enclose all of this if you're facing some inclement weather. Sunroof up on top. This just slides back and forth. Sleeping for 4 total. Up front, you have a convertible V-berth with a filler cushion, and then that does quickly come up to convert into a table. And then just aft of that, you have 2 twin beds. Those do join together to create a nice single berth. Nice galley off here to your port side, refrigerator, and a microwave. And then off to the starboard side, you do have a wet head. So you'll see nice comfortable area up here, seating for 3. You'll see fixed built-in armrests, headrests, very comfortable area to hang out. There is an optional bow shade that you can install, so very easily set up with 2 carbon fiber poles, very light and easy to move around, with a canvas material that clips onto the hardtop, so if you're anchored up at the sandbar, you can install a shade system. And this is Brian McGlenn on the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax Stuart for more information, 772-287-4495. Thank you.